It's Sunny the Kitty Cat, and today I am going to play Airplane Story 3. Well, there's gonna be some awkward stuff, like some noises from the background, like of my house, you know. You get it? I got family here, so. Gee. So, I am going to. Sometimes I might be singing awkwardly. Just forget the part I just said. Like, I'm alone. There will be some random noises in the background. Just forget it. Okay, so let's see who will join. This is a pretty decent server. Let's just join everyone here. That's 4 people, not bad. So, I'm gonna suck a bit. I haven't played this game in a long time, and you might hear me sing some random stuff. And I'm not gonna edit anything. Oh my god. Heck. Let's go. Oh, now I'm leaving here. I am leaving. Worst server ever. Like, bruh. No one was there. Cake. No, not that server. Let's see. I may be chatting some stuff, you know, you get it? Maybe chatting. This is my first time making a video with voice reader. I've seen this before. Yeah, okay, I think I joined something. Oh my god, that avatar is nice. I like it. Nice avatar. Cool skateboard. Oh my god. Okay, so we are going to play this. Yes, it may be kid friendly, not kid friendly. I'm like, I don't know, honestly. Oh yes, General Poncho. Yes. Ignore what I just said. I said,
what the heck is that?
General Poncho, and ignore that voice. That's my co-worker, my editor. Okay, well, even though I don't edit, I still pay him. Okay, kinda. Well, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Professor Poncho. Professor, what? What the heck? I'm the Relaxing States Army General. You can call me General Poncho. Poncho, like this white. From this point on, everything I say should be okay, or else you will be expelled from the team. No! I'm too young! No! Okay, just forget it. I'm just gonna say here in the chat.